Scanning your photos for a digital future is a necessity. Fortunately, Photomyne repairs and enhances paper photos so you can enjoy them to the fullest. And while you'll have a digital collection, photos still deserve a place in our homes and our offices, as well as for gifts too. That's why we've made it so easy for you to print your scanned photos and frame them too. Here's how. First, select one of your scanned photos and scroll down. You'll see a list of widgets for touching up the photo, including one with a preview of the photo inside a frame. Select Frame this photo. This will open a link to our Amazon store where you can order a Photomyne frame. Then, go back to the app and select Get File for Print. You can then choose to either print this image from your computer or email it to yourself or to somebody else. Print it at home if you have a great printer and great paper, or you can always contact a local print shop. Just make sure to cut it along the edges to the size of your frame. Finally, you'll have a beautiful photo ready for display to show off to the world. Scan and select a photo to frame today.